KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Thursday, the 20th day of December. Christmas time almost here. Wet is the word today. Windy and cold tomorrow. The weekend much better. And what about next week? Let's go in there and check things out this morning. Very deep upper trough just west of the state. That will produce the dynamic support for widespread rain today and tonight. That was a radar this morning at 5:03. Not going to rain all day, but we'll see periods of rain. And the good news, no severe weather problems and probably no thunder. Temperatures are in the upper 40s and low 50s. We'll stay in the 50s all day today with clouds and rain. And around the nation, I'd say it's seasonal. Coldest air in the northeast and also back in the west. Flash flood watches today for parts of North Florida, South Georgia, and for the upper part of the Atlantic coast. Severe storms a possibility from Key West almost up to Chesapeake Bay. We note there is an enhanced risk over parts of central Florida in the broad zone from Tampa Bay and Orlando down to Lake Okeechobee. There could be a tornado or two down there today. Very spring-like look for them. But again, no severe weather here. And then tomorrow, just a chance of some thunder for the northeast United States. Here's the precipitation for the next 7 days. Big numbers for the upper Pacific coast, and again, the east fairly wet. Alabama's rain amounts around 1 inch, and the bulk of that will be today into tomorrow morning. Next big chance of rain out there toward the end of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS 06E run, noon today. There's that deep upper trough sliding through here. There's a surface low at midday, a little east of the state. And again, obviously, it's going to be a wet day. Periods of rain with highs in the 50s. Tomorrow, the surface low deepens and the gradient tightens. It'll be a very windy day. Strong north winds of 15, maybe up to 30 miles per hour. We'll be in the 40s all day. Some folks up in the Tennessee Valley might try and hover in the upper 30s all day. And again, the chance of some lingering light rain, mainly during the morning hours. And all of that is gone just in time for the weekend. On Saturday, the sky should be mostly sunny. We're expecting a high in the mid to upper 50s. And Sunday, a little feature comes in here with some clouds. And could it squeeze out some light rain? Do we need to amend our forecast? Let's check the NAM. This is the 12-kilometer NAM. Really not showing much. There will be very limited amounts of moisture. So Sunday, we'll now mention cloudy periods and just an outside chance of some light rain. High should be in the 50s. Monday, I think we're dry. You still see a green strip there, but we'll have a surge of drier air dropping in for Christmas Eve. Lows in the 30s, highs in the 50s. And Christmas Day, Tuesday, should be a partly sunny day with lows in the 30s and highs maybe around 60. Very comfortable afternoon. If you're looking for snow, you want to head way out west where the mountains will likely be buried. Go to Wednesday, got a pretty deep surface low forming, and that could be a really big snowstorm for the eastern part of Colorado, maybe a blizzard up into parts of Nebraska. And maybe some storms developing south and east of that surface low. And Wednesday, we might see enough moisture return for a shower or two. But the most widespread rain probably holds off until the next day. This is Thursday, the 27th, a week from today. Kind of a complex trough in the western states. A chunk of it begins to lift out. That deep surface low is way up in Wisconsin. And again, that could be a blizzard for parts of Minnesota if this verifies. And we're in the warm sector with a trailing front, so rain likely on Thursday, maybe some thunderstorms, maybe a strong storm with that. We'll just have to see how it plays out. There is a bit of surface-based instability in through here. But again, this is a week out, and this will probably change. Just something to watch for now. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 29th. Still got troughing west of the state, and that looks dry and cooler. But again, this is kind of a complex pattern. Don't be shocked if that changes. Here are the numbers off the GFS ensemble. 50s today, only 40s tomorrow with that strong north wind. Back in the 50s for the weekend. The ensemble suggesting a high of 55 on Christmas Day. We might see some 60s in here Thursday, but then we trend down again, but no sign of any harshly, brutally cold air through New Year's. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.